Hi, it's me, Zayfar Beaverbrox, the British Tech Guru. I'm probably going to fail at this miserably, but I'm going to have another go at picking this lock. So I'm going to try it with this pick. No particular reason in choosing this pick, but assuming I can even get it in. Okay, well, let's try this side. Yeah. How on earth do I do this? Yes. I know the theory. You see the pins there? You have to push them down and twist the cylinder. Which reminds me, I need my twisting tool. I told you I'm a total rank amateur. And people like the lock-picking lawyer, they're probably going to laugh at me. Okay, so we've got that in there like that. Well, in fact, which way does the darn thing turn anyway? So we're going to put this key in here like that. Okay, so that one turns, and it turns either way, which is good. And because it's a practice lock, and I'm going to try this, put this in there. Oh, hang on. Let's see, did I? Yeah. Maybe I need to try a different tool. Try that one. That one. Yeah, I'm trying, but like I said, the locksmith, the lock-picking lawyer makes these things look incredibly easy, and I can't get this one at this end. Don't think I'm getting it anyway. Yeah, that's not too easy. So let me try getting that one right now. Is that doing anything? I don't think I am. Try this tool. Okay. And I don't mind people laughing at me, honestly. Aha! Right. So let me try it again with this in place. And let's see what happens. Yep. Oh. Am I there? No, I'm not. Okay, so let's try change tools and try the next one. Try that one. Wouldn't it be a scream if I actually managed to unpick this on screen? Try that one. And currently it's this one that's not shifting. And I am showing myself up to be a rank amateur. I thought it moved then. No. Did it move then? That is frustrating. Wrong key. Very frustrating. But kind of what to expect from a rank amateur like me. Well, that was a second go at picking a lock that hasn't worked for me. So I'm going to probably have another go at some point. Right now I'm well, I'm not embarrassed by my failure. I'm not a lockpick, and this is just me having a little bit of fun and showing you that I can't do things, and I'm enjoying the fact that I'm finding these things a challenge. And, you know, I'll come back to it in time, but not right now. So anyway, there you go. There's me failing to pick a lock. I think Fort Knox is quite safe.